Alright, it's William, welcome to my channel. So let's continue our journey of making a paradise sketch game. Just my childhood game that I want to recreate it in Godot. So basically, we already got this player scene as well as a game scene. So what about okay, so if you'll follow along this tutorial, I want you guys to, pause a little here. Yeah, I want you to make this gold ingot. Is ingot or something like that? Okay, I don't know how to say it. It's just it's an Asia thing. Okay, it's in traditional Asia culture, like really long time ago, we used that as a like currency. And yeah, so if you got that, you're pretty rich. Okay, so this game basically is that you're going to catch these gold ingots. So yeah, you guess it. Same method, just as like you create this player thing. You just add this 2D, right? No 2D. So what I'm going to do is to delete it. Okay. You're going to other node. I'm going to use area because I'm going to add collision, and I don't have my mouse here. So yeah, I got sorry. Area 2D. Okay, so you can get the collision shape 2D. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add this as well. So select, add, and collision shape 2D. Create. Okay, I don't know whether you pause it. Do please pause it and do it yourself. You have to do it yourself in order to actually like learn, and you can actually create something of your own. Okay, come on, do it. And of course, you can't see it. So what I'm going to do is to actually get something that can actually be seen. But also, you need to actually select the shape. So here comes the interesting part. You need to get the specific sprite in order to choose which kind of a shape that you want to choose. Okay, so sprite 2D and empty. You can just get this gold ingot, put it inside here, so you can actually see it here. Okay, pretty big. So you can go here and you can like eyeball it. Okay, so the player is got like a 200 left and right. Okay, 200. So maybe a little bit smaller, so 100 maybe. So I'm going to make it smaller by using the transform scale, make it now maybe 0.1. Okay, it's already locked, so the ratio won't change. Let me make it. Yeah, I think it's approximately 100. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. So remember, you're looking this way. Okay, looking this way. The first thing you'll see is that sprite 2D. So you won't be able to see it. So if you check this player, the first thing you should see the collision, so you can actually know what's going on. So we can just click and drag, make it here. Don't make it children, just make it here. And you're going to choose the shape. Right now, I think this is more like a, let me just choose a rectangle. Okay, and just to make this approximately cover the area of the gold ingots. Okay, love this. Up and down. Yeah, so you sort of cover everything. Yeah, I love it. So don't forget, this scene right now is unsaved. Command and S to save it. Instead of error 2D, I'm going to say this will be our gold. Gold. Just gold. No gold ingot. I don't want to introduce like complex word. I want this to be really simple. And here comes you a concept time. Okay, so all the scene, you have to put it inside of a big background. So if you go back here, we got this game. Okay, so we got like a really big canvas, but we have to instantiate, like make a something, it's a kind of philosophical. Okay, let me just show you this way. You are, it's like let me add something in here. So for example, like religion speaking, like gods make men and women based on his image. Okay, so we got like a concept of a powerful being, and we create something, like we instantiate that, like make that actually appear in this world. Okay, so you sort of you are creating something purely from the the model and using that to instantiate. Okay, so I don't know whether this is a good example or not, maybe a terrible example, sorry about that. So basically you already got a player, already got a goat, but right now inside of a game here, you can't actually see it. So in order to see it, you have to put a scene and make it an instant. So right here, we got this like instantiate child scene. Shift, Command, and A to add it. Like A for add, this is quick for like memorizing. Essentially, a scene file as a node creates an inherit scene if not root node exists. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. So before you do that, you have to save the player as well as this gold scene. Okay, so then you can click here. Right now, you can instantiate a child scene. So basically, just this scene is like a concept, and you can make it real. Okay, so what I'm going to do, of course, is to get a player as well as get the gold here. So I choose player, I choose open, and cannot instantiate because the current scene exists within one of its nodes. Okay, that's because you can't instantiate yourself. Okay, because it will be a loop, like you're referring to yourself. So pretty simple. I choose the wrong thing. I should choose like player. Open. Yeah, the player's here. So a different cat, and I can let me just move this. Okay, move. You can use W to quickly move this. Make it down, maybe somewhere here. Okay. So we got our cat here, and of course you can look at here, game sprite 2D as a background, and we got the player as a node area 2D here. And we can click here. You can't use play because you can't use game because game is yourself. You can't refer to yourself, but rather you can use goat. Click here, the goat. Oh, here comes the problem. You can't make the. Of course you can do that, but you don't want to do that because this is like the children of the player. You don't want to do that. So how to do that? Let me just delete this. And we made a mistake because I choose this player and then instantiate. I shouldn't do that. I should click this game and then instantiate the goat. So it should go here, and I can move it like here. Okay. So if you save everything, okay, and then you rerun this game, then you can see we got something like this. Okay, we got this gold ingot, and we got this background, and yeah, sorry, I put it in the wrong places because this is the edges, so I'm like below the viewport, so I can't see it. Doesn't really matter. I can always click this player and move it inside of the viewport. Let me make somewhere here, or maybe here. Okay, maybe here. All right. So let's run that again. So yeah, everything is good. Okay. I can't make it bigger. So yeah, let me zoom in. Okay. Sorry. Let me zoom in. So we got this gold ingots. We got a background, and we got this player here. Pretty nice. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed in this video. I tend to make my video bite size, and so quick rewind. So a quick review. We learn how to like practice how to make not only the player but also the gold objects. The first thing. The second thing is how to instantiate that and put all the thing all the thing together in one thing, one big background canvas. Okay, and yeah, I think that's about it. And I think, yeah, all that is just want you guys to get yourself pretty familiar with the environment, just new program. Maybe you are not familiar with that. I want you guys to feel comfortable using this. And next video will be the real stuff, because we're going to actually using some of the script language, some of the code to control the things inside and make it interact with each other. Okay, and yeah, so this tutorial just become more and more exciting. Okay, I can't wait to share with you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art, where I create all this assets. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check it out. Okay, thanks, bye.